Hi! Before I have shown you this Flowers Emily Lex watercolor workbook, and today I'm going to flip through the Christmas watercolor workbook and tell you some differences I notice, and yeah, let's get started. So I have done a video on this book before where I showed you how I watercolored with it, and so I've had this one for a while and I've enjoyed it. I do appreciate that she gives you like watercolor basics and that kind of a thing, and then mixing colors, but here is like an example of a step-by-step, and so here's how I painted it. And then here's the peony I did, and then here is the bouquet I was working on. I haven't finished it. And in this book, she has, I'll show you one that I haven't done yet. Like here you go, you have a pansy, and it's like sketched out for you, so you can paint it there. And then on a separate page, you can draw it yourself and then paint it. And so you can kind of see where the sketched one was. I didn't do so great, and so I ended up tearing that page out. And then this is the like page after that, where I actually painted the one that I liked a little better. And so that is kind of a nice thing about this one. You know, you got a couple of chances to try it, a little guidance here, and then a place to try it on your own. And it's nice watercolor thickness, but I just got this one, and let's flip through this real quick. So I got this one, and I noticed it's just slightly smaller, which isn't a big deal, but the one thing I noticed was the pages feel a lot thicker. It's much thicker now. She still has a nice note and watercolor basics in there, and the mixing colors. And then you come here, and there's not like a direction to cut it out. It's like kind of meant to stay in the book now, because there's just the sketched one and not an opportunity to have like another, which is great because as you saw in this one, I kept them in the book. So these are really cute. Christmas themed ones, and she's got all sorts of different watercolor books you can do, but it's just kind of a nice peaceful little thing to do. She has like I want to say a winter one, a fall one, but I'll show you kind of all the options that she does have here in a little bit. But yeah, these are really cute, really great. I think they would make just a great gift if you know somebody who likes to craft and paint and that kind of a thing. Try to learn a new skill. I think these are really great. So there you have it, just a flip through of a new Emily Lex watercolor book I got. I thought I'd show you guys. Let me know in the comments down below which watercolor book you would be interested in getting, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.